Hello everyone, if you are looking for a powerful and adventure-ready electric scooter at an affordable price, then the new iScooter iX6 could be just the thing. With its 1000-watt motor capable of reaching up to 45 km per hour, 11-inch off-road tires that tackle rough terrain with ease, and a real-world range of up to 60 km, this model offers surprisingly serious performance for its class. Plus, there is NFC unlocking, advanced display, efficient shock absorber system, which together provide a more comfortable, safer and more modern ride. And that's why today I'm taking you through the complete experience with its iScooter iX6 model in this video review, so take a look. The box the iScooter iX6 arrives is massive. One look at it and you know there is something seriously inside, not just some flimsy city commuter. When I cracked it and opened, the scooter was folded up nice and tight, wrapped in thick protective layers everywhere. As soon as we took it out of the box, as you can see, this thing is built like a tank, heavy duty and solid as a rock. In addition to the scooter itself, the box also includes this handy hard case for storing small items while you are riding. And inside you got the charger, the tools needed for assembly, and of course quite a bit of paperwork, warranty card, and of course a detailed use manual. What I especially like was that the scooter comes practically ready to ride. We leave the steering wheel, mounted the headlight literally a few minutes and everything is in place, and here we are already out to film it and test it in the detail on the field. Even before I even turn it on, you can already see that every part looks massive, precise and well thought out. When you unfold it for the first time and place it on the kickstand, the iScooter iX6 appears to have fallen out of the futuristic movie. This design cannot be confused with any other scooter. Aggressive lines featuring combat red details and a vital deck are complemented by these enormous thick 11-inch off-road tires which lend it solidity and visual strength. All this is additionally emphasized with blue ambient LED light on the standing surface itself. The frame of the scooter is made of aviation magnesium aluminum, which is very interesting to me personally because it combines two things that normally do not go together: strength and a relatively low weight. The scooter weighs 24 kilograms, which frankly is the ideal balance between robustness and portability. It feels like something that can withstand serious driving, and that's turned out to be true. It is not without a reason that it can withstand a maximum load of even 150 kilograms. One of the first things I tested was the folding mechanism. The iX6 has a 3-second folding, which is fantastic when you need to put it in the trunk of the car, take it to the work or just store at the home. What I especially like is that the addition to the main column, the steering wheel can also be folded, and there is also a telescopic steering column. To the scooter can be adjusted to the height of the rider, which is not a common thing you will find with such off-road models. So this scooter model is ideal even for taller riders. The platform you stand on, the deck, is quite wide. It is not a thin, narrow deck. This means you have enough space for a stable stand. The rubber on the deck and the structure of the deck provide good stability and grip even when standing with both feet. Because of this space and construction, the feet of standing is safe and comfortable, which is especially important on uneven terrain. In the middle of the steering wheel, it's wide and luxurious, one of the largest in the class, a full-color LCD display that shows key informations: current speed, battery level, selected driving modes, active lights, turn signals, trip functions and others. Control is intuitive. On the left there is buttons for the turn signals, turning on the lights, bell, changing the driving mode and activating the cruise control. One of the premium features is NFC unlocking, which allows the scooter to be started using an NFC card. After starting the ignition, you just swipe over the screen with one of these two NFC cards and voila, your scooter is ready to ride. This is a practical and a safer solution because the scooter cannot be turned on without proper authorization. Okay, this is the part everyone wants to hear. The iScooter iX6 comes with a 1000 volt motor and not some weak entry-level model, but a serious motor that reaches speeds of up to 45 km in unlocked mode. In factory mode, it's limited to 25 km, which is great for legal reasons, but as soon as you unlock it, a completely different story. You immediately feel the extra power at the start, that moment when you gently twist the throttle and feel the engine pull you and accelerate without any effort. It is something you will quickly love. On the flat surface, it goes stably, linearly, without any vibrations, and where other scooters struggle, this model goes as if nothing is happening. The manufacturer states that it can climb up to 35% inclines, and I must admit that in the test it overcome everything we put it in front of this wheel without any problems. The iX6 offers multiple speed modes to adapt the driver needs. Comfort mode 10, 15, 25 km per hour, off-road mode 15, 30, 45 km per hour when the scooter shows all its full power. Thanks to the cruise control, it's possible to maintain a constant speed over longer distances, which is very practical on the flat sections or during longer drives without frequent changes the rhythm. On the asphalt, the scooter is extremely stable. On macadam, it dampers bumps well, while on grass and gravel, you feel safe thanks to the large tires and the double suspension. The manufacturer claims the 48-watt 70.5 amp-hour 840 watt-hour battery that will give you anywhere from the 50 to 60 kilometers of range, depending on how you ride it, your speed, the terrain you are tackling, and how much you weight. Honestly, that's pretty damn good because it means you can basically ride all week for your commute without worrying about charging every single day. Now, charging does take its sweet time. We are talking about 7 to 9 hours to go back to the full juice. That's a pretty standard for bigger batteries like this. One thing worth mentioning is IPX4 rating for water resistance. It's not waterproof, but it's handled light rain and the occasional splash without breaking a sweat. Just don't go riding through the puddles like you are in some action movie and you will be fine. One of the most important parts of the iX6 model is its suspension. The scooter comes with striking red dual shock absorbers on each wheel, 2 at the front and 2 at the rear, which makes it one of the more comfortable models in this price range and this power category. Large 11-inch pneumatic tires further contribute to the vibration absorption and provide excellent contact with the ground. The off-road tire profile helps when driving on pebbles, grass or uneven forest paths, while on asphalt it provides a very secure support. Mechanical disc brakes are used for braking on both wheels, combined with the eABS electronic system, which ensures even distribution of the braking force. Braking is stable and predictable without locking the wheels, and I would even say unexpectedly gentle for such an off-road scooter. The lighting system on the iX6 is surprisingly rich for its category. At the front there is a powerful LED lamp that illuminates the road wide enough for safe driving at night. At the back there is a LED position light that increases and flashes when braking. The scooter also has turn signals on the rear which further increase the level of safety when driving in the city. In addition, the blue ambient LED light on the standing surface itself gives the attractive visual identity and increases the scooter's visibility in the traffic at night. All in all, the lighting assembly gives the impression of being above averagely equipped. iX6 seems surprisingly stable even on higher speeds thanks to its wide platform and rough 11-inch tires that dampen bumps well. While driving on gravel or grass, you can feel how the suspension does its job and keeps the scooter under control without excessive bouncing. The 1000-volt motor delivers power linearly, which gives the impression of a safe but dynamic acceleration, and all in all, the ride leaves a feeling of robustness and reliability, and the scooter is always ready for a little more adventure. After spending time with it, the iScooter iX6 really impressed me more than I expected. You're getting a beefy 1000-volt motor, proper off-road tires that actually grip, real-world range that doesn't disappoint, a display that's actually useful, and a suspension that makes a difference, all without breaking the bank for what you are getting. If you are in the market for something powerful that won't shake apart on the road but still handles the daily commute like a champ, the iX6 is honestly hard to beat in this price range. It is one of those rare scooters that doesn't make your choice between on-road comfort and off-road capability, it just does both pretty well. And yes, if you are impressed as we are, you can buy it at a lower price in the official iScooter sale link right below this video, but hurry up, these models usually sell out before the new shipment arrives. If you like this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for the channel and turn on the bell, because soon there will be new reviews of the most powerful electric scooter on the market. Until then, bye.